Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Rains bring down the hot temperatures and the body begins to demand a high calorie, spicy and nutritious food. And one such dish that I love to make is vegetable pasta in Avadhi Flavours. Healthy, nutritious and filling. Antioxidants, vitamins and fiber loaded. And before I tell you how to make it, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Wash away our assumptions and presumptions and bless us with sharp sight, clear hearing and keen curiosity, true knowledge, deep wisdom and far-sighted vision. And now for the recipe. Now, healthy, nutritious, filling, antioxidants, vitamins and fiber-loaded vegetables. These are some of them: capsicum, carrot, potato, corn, onion, tomato, green peas, French beans, etc. Now add olive oil to a pan and add onions and saute or cook till the color begins to change. Stir well, and as soon as the color begins to change, add potatoes and again stir well. And now add French beans and stir well. Remember, we want our vegetables to be crispy and not mushy. Add green peas and stir well. Now add carrots and stir well. Remember, we have to keep them crispy. Add corn and stir well. Now add capsicum and stir well again. Now add sea or any natural salt as per as your taste. Add red chili powder as per as your taste and coriander powder again as per as your taste. Now this is e-taam, the Avadhi or Nawabi masala from the royal kitchens and darbars of Lucknow. And this we will add. Add e-taam or any garam masala that you have. Stir well to mix in well. Add tomatoes and stir well. Look how beautiful the vegetables are looking. Crispy and crunchy. Cover, set aside to soften but not to become mushy, remember. Now to take macaroni or any pasta of your choice, add enough water from any natural source and vegetables by now are 75% done, crunchy and juicy. Remove the vegetables off the flame and now add olive oil to the pasta, sea salt or any natural salt, add any natural vinegar, avoid the synthetic vinegar if possible, and allow the pasta to boil for 6 minutes or 90% done. This step is to ensure that starch from pasta has been extracted. Now check intermittently. Boil for 6 minutes or till 90% of the pasta has been done. Look at that. That's how it should be, without starch. Now remove from heat or the flames and bring back the vegetables Strain the pasta and discard the starch saturated water, and to stop the process of cooking, rinse the pasta with cool water. Now when done, vegetables done just right by now, a little stir, crispy, crunchy and not at all mushy, add the pasta and stir well. Add green chili sauce as per as your taste and add red chili and tomato sauce. This is my favorite sauce. Again as per as your taste and stir well. To mix well. And time to taste and add corrections if required, if any. No, none at all. Except to add lemon juice. Cut a lemon or more as per as your taste and add the lemon juice of one or more as per as your taste. Stir well to mix in well and switch off the flame and serve the healthy, nutritious and filling antioxidants, vitamins and fiber loaded vegetable pasta in Avadhi Flavours to all your known, and enjoy with all during rains on any rainy day.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.